Hi guys! Welcome to another performance cast video. In this video, we are going to make a picture frame. The materials needed are pebbles, glue gun, glue, marker, glue sticks, pencil, cardboard, cutter, ruler, and a picture. The first step is to outline the picture in the cardboard. Now cut the outline with 1-inch margin. Don't throw your scraps. We will use it for the stand. I will make a triangle using this piece of cardboard. I just made a slit in this cardboard to make a triangle so that it will be the stand of our picture frame. I will paste one side of the triangle into the picture frame. I will design the edges using pebbles. We're done! Down to the last step. Paste the picture. Our DIY picture frame. Hope you learned from this video and can't wait to see your DIY picture frame too. Bye!